Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix Fall Guys error code 10011, then this is the right video for you. First, open Task Manager on your computer. From here, scroll through and make sure you end all the tasks from Epic Games Launcher. Now, locate Fall Guys folder on your computer. Then select the Fall Guys client and right-click on it. Then click on Properties. And then you will get two options. Click on Disable Full Screen Optimization and then click on Run this program as an administrator. After that, click on Apply. Then there will be another file in the Fall Guys folder called Easy Anti-Cheat. Double-click on it and set it up. After Game Anti-Cheat opens, the interface will show current game 591. If it doesn't, then select game 591 and then click on Repair Service. Now, search and open Services on your computer. From here, find Easy Anti-Cheat and then double-click on it to open. Then select Automatic on Startup Type. Then click on Apply and OK. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.